Hello everyone, welcome to Space Time with Robert. I'm Robert. It's freezing out, and that's planet Venus through Henrietta, our 8-inch telescope. You can see it's a crescent phase too, a little banana. So we're looking at a whole other planet right now. And I'll probably jump on over to Saturn here in a minute, and then Jupiter. But this is our first chance, my first chance of looking at Venus this whole year through a telescope. It's just been cloudy. Oh, that's so cool. All right, I'm gonna move the telescope so that it's a little bit to the upper left now. And Venus is really low in our sky, and that's why it's looking like it's in front of a toaster. All that heat moving in front of it. It's probably heat from people's houses and just turbulence in the atmosphere. It's very windy out here. But still, we can make out the shape. That's Venus. Let's see what the telescope has to say about it. Let's see.
Second planet from the Sun. 18% smaller than Earth. 0.
Temperature.
900 degrees Fahrenheit.
Nickname.
The Morning Star. Thanks to its striking similarity in size, mass, density, and volume, Venus was thought by early astronomers to be Earth's sister planet. Yet the two planets' similarities end there. Despite being named for the Roman goddess of love, Venus is astoundingly hostile and unforgiving. Our hottest planet, enshrouded in a sweltering, swirling cloud of carbon dioxide and sulfuric acid. Curiously, Venus rotates in the opposite direction of the other planets, clockwise, and spins so slowly that a Venusian day is actually longer than a Venusian year.
Venus is the second planet from the Sun and the closest planet to Earth in both size and location. But that's where the similarities end. Unlike Earth, Venus is a hostile, volcanic, suffocating world, the hottest of all the planets, with temperatures reaching an astounding 900 degrees Fahrenheit, 480 degrees Celsius. What a difference a few million miles closer to the Sun makes. Venus also rotates clockwise, in opposition to all other planets in our solar system. Named for the Roman goddess of love and beauty, the planet's dense carbon dioxide clouds reflect the sun's rays like a mirror, making Venus the brightest object in the night sky next to the moon. Like Mercury, Venus remains close to the sun and is visible only in the morning and evening hours. That's why, even though it's a planet, Venus is known as the morning star or evening star, depending on the time of day. Venus has been visited by at least 22 United States and USSR robotic missions. But cancel your vacation plans, because the missions have revealed Venus to be a stifling purgatory with an atmosphere of dense carbon dioxide, sulfur dust, and sulfuric acid. Look for an almost UFO-like bright object in the morning or evening sky. That's Venus. Any telescope or even binoculars will reveal its moon-like crescent phases.
All right, let's go to Saturn. I think we're approaching Saturn now. You just look out your window to the left there, maybe. Okay, I don't see anything. Let's increase the exposure. Oh, there it is. Aha! Saturn, you were hiding. Okay, I'm going to try and get it back in center. Ooh, and the seeing conditions tonight are not that great. We can barely make out that the ring is different from the planet itself. It's also very windy. But that's planet Saturn. I'm going to try and refocus it just a little bit and see if we can get something more detail out of that. No, I'm not seeing much. I'll zoom in though. All right, that's planet Saturn in the wind. It's pretty cool. Let's play with it a little bit more. Let's see if we can get a better image. I'm going to drop the exposure and maybe increase the gain a little bit. I'll go back over. So it's up there in the upper left. Ooh, that was a big gust of wind. Alright, I've got it completely out of focus now. I'm going to try and refocus it so we can maybe see a ring. And that might be as good as it gets right there. Oh, I think I just made it worse. All right, I'll zoom back out. And I'm going to increase the exposure. And let's see if we can actually see one of the moons around Saturn. Because if we can see a moon, maybe we can focus in on the moon instead and get better focus. Because it's like a pinpoint. All right. Not seeing Titan. Titan should be nearby. That's Saturn's largest moon. Oh, I'm starting to see it now. I'm going to increase the exposure some more. There it is. We can see Titan now to the upper right. That's one of Saturn's moons. That might be as good as of a focus as we can get on this tonight. So, darn it. But I will drop the exposure one more time so we can see the ring. And then we'll go on to Jupiter. There's that bug, the planet. All right, moving on to Jupiter. Let's see if Jupiter looks any better. We're coming up on Jupiter now. There it is. Dropping the exposure a bit. We'll zoom in. We can barely make out a stripe. Just looks like a ball. We'll increase the saturation a little bit so we can try and get some more color. cool. Where are the moons at, though? Jupiter has moons. Let's see the moons. There we go. Got 1, 2 to the left. Let's see if we can focus that a little bit better. And down. All right, cool. We got 3 moons there. Awesome. Well, I'm just really glad that we got to share Venus. All right. I'm gonna get out of the cold now. I just wanted to show you 3 planets while it was still clear out. Clouds will be coming back. I'm not sure if I'll be able to show you deep sky objects, but that is the next goal soon. And thanks for tuning in. Planet Venus captured. Yeah. All right. See you in a bit. Bye. Space. Keep looking up.